Hello, 5th standard students. Exercise 2.2. Subtract the following. First main question is subtract the following. In this subtract the following, a question. What is the question given? We have to see. A question is, read this number 23 lakh 54,101 from 3 crore 45 lakhs 78,412. What you have to do? You have to subtract these two numbers.
Hello sir. Clear.
Subtract the following. So big number is given. Which is a big number among these two? See here, this is 3 crore 45 lakhs 78,412. Whereas this number is 23 lakh 54,101. So from big number, you have to subtract the small number. So take big number. This number is big. 3 lakh 78,412. This number you have to write top. Next number 23 lakh 54,101. This number you have to write down. Below this number only, you have to write this number according to place values. One below the other. Understood? See how I have written that? These digits must be one below the other. Start from ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Understood? So whereas this is 1, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is how you have to write the numbers one below the other, and subtract means put minus sign. See, I have put here. You can see like this. If you put, it is minus. You are subtracting the numbers. So again, from where you have to start? From ones place. Start from ones place. You have to subtract 2 minus 1. Out of 2, if you remove 1, how much remains? 2 minus 1, 1. Next, tens place. 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 8 minus 4, 4. 7 minus 5, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus, here nothing, no digit here. So 3 minus 0 is 3 only. So what is the answer? Read 3 crore 22 lakhs 3 crore 22 lakh 24,311. So after subtracting these two numbers, what is the answer? 3 crore 22 lakhs 24,311. And this is called the difference. This is called the difference. After subtracting two numbers, the answer you get, that is called a difference. Next, B question. These two numbers are given. From right side number, you have to take 15 crore 42 lakh 38,542. This number neatly you have to write at the top. Down you have to write this another number, left side number. From is given, right side number will be big. So that number you have to write at the top. From left side number, it will be small number. So you have to write down. How to write? You have to see according to place value. You have to put the numbers one below the other. Understood? Again, subtract means you have to subtract minus sign. So start from one place. 2 minus 1. 2 minus means remove. How much remove? 1. 2 minus 1, 1. See here. Understood? So 2 minus 1, 1. Next, 4 minus 1. Out of 4, if you remove 1 means this is 4. If you remove 1, how much it is? 3. So 4 minus 1, 3. Next, out of 5 minus 2. Out of 5, if you remove 2, this is 5. If you remove 2, how much it is? 3. So 5 minus 2, 3. Like this, 8 minus 5, 3. This is 8. See, count my fingers. How many fingers? 8. Out of 8, remove 5 means you have to remove this 5. How much remaining? See here, 3. So 8 minus 5, 3. So 3 minus 0. 3 is there. Minus 0. 0 means nothing. So 3 minus 0, 3 only. You are not removing anything, isn't it? So 3 minus 0, 3. Next 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means remove 1. So how much? 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, out of 4, 3 remove. This is 4. 3 remove means 1. So 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4. This is 5. Minus 4 means 4 you have to remove. How much? This is 5. 4 remove. 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 1 minus 0. 1 is there. You are not removing nothing. So 1 minus 0, 1 only. So 1 minus 0 means, see here, I put minus sign here. So that you can, this is minus sign. See 1, there is nothing here down. So 1 minus 0, 1. So what is the answer? 11 crore. See the digits I have written one below the other. See here. This exact one below the other. So how you can read what is the value of this? 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. These two form what? 11 crore, 11 lakh, 33,331. Understood? How to read? 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So crore and 10 crore means these two 11 crore. Lakh and 10 lakhs, 11 lakhs. 1000 and 10,000, 33,000 and 331. This is how you have to, you can read in words also. Similarly, let us see C and D questions. Now we'll do C and D question. See what is the C question? What is the given question? 15 lakh 75,687 from 52 lakh no 10,000 no 0,000 52 lakh 325 because there is no number in 1,000 and 10,000 place. So 52 lakh 325. So from right side will be number will be big. From left side number, this number will be small number. So big number you have to write first. So which is the big number here? From written on the right side. This number is big number. So 52 lakh 325. You have to write it top. 52 lakh 325. This number should come up. Next number is this. This should come down. See what is the number? 15 lakh 75,687. So these digits must be exactly down. Understood? According to place value, you have to put the digits one below the other. Then only you can easily subtract. Otherwise, you get confused and you will do wrong. So one below the other, exactly according to place value. See, 5 and 7 are in one's place. Tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Place. According to place value. Put the digits one below the other. Now subtract. 5 minus 7. See, 5 is small number. This is 5. Minus 7. You must remove 7. Where is 7? It is not there. Only 5 is there. Then how to remove 7 from 5? So it is not possible. So what you have to do? You have to 5 minus 7 is not possible. So what you have to do? Go for tens place. Which is the digit in 10 place? 2. So you should borrow 1 from 2. So you should borrow 1 here. So when you borrow 1 from 2, you are borrowing 1. So what happens? After borrowing 1, this 5 and 1 becomes 15. This 5 and 1 becomes 15. Here 2 you have taken. So it becomes 1. 2 becomes 1. Understood? So 15, now it is 15, not 5. Because you have taken 1, borrowed 1 here. So 15 minus 7. Now 15 is big number. Minus 7. From 15 you can remove 7. So how 15 minus 7? 8. If you get confused, you can put 15 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 lines put. And minus 7 means remove 7. Remove lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So remaining how much are these lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 lines are there. So put 8. Next to 15 minus 7, 8. Now 1. Now you come to tens place. 1 is there. 1 minus 8. Now not 2 minus 8 because you have taken 1 from 2. Now it is 1 only. 1 minus 8 again it is not possible, isn't it? So what you have to do? So what you have to do? So 1 minus 8 is not possible. So what you have to do? Borrow 1. Now it becomes 11 because you are borrowing 1 from 3. Go for hundreds place. 3 is there. When you borrow 1 it becomes 11 and this will become a 2. Isn't it? 3 will become 2 because 1 you have taken. That's right. Now 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. If you not perfect, put 11. First 11 lines you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 lines put 8 minus 8. 8 lines you have to remove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines you have removed. So which are the, how many lines are remaining here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is 11 minus 8 is 3 like this. Understand? Next 2 minus 6 again not possible. So borrow 1. It becomes 12. Here it becomes 9. Understood? 9. Because you must think it is 10. Taking 1 means it becomes 9. 12 minus 6, 6. 9 minus 5, 4. Again this is a what? Next again 0 minus 7 not possible. Because 0 is small number, 7 is big number. So small number minus big number not possible. So big number minus small number you have to do. So 0 minus 7 not possible. Take 1 here. So 1 and 0 becomes 10. Here you have taken 1, it becomes 1. 10 minus 7, 3. Understood? 10 minus 7, 3. 1 minus 5 again not possible. So borrow 1 here. It becomes 11. This will become 4. So 11 minus 5, 6. 4 minus 1, 3. So what is the answer here? 34,638. This is the answer. This is called the difference. Understood? So after subtracting you will get this. So I think you understood how to borrow 1 and subtract from small number to big number. Next D question. This is the number given. Put the numbers. Big number top, small number down. Next here subtraction. Put minus sign. Don't forget to put minus sign. So put minus sign. After putting minus sign, start from 1's place. 2 minus 9 not possible. So take 1, borrow 1. It becomes 12. And this will become 2 because you have borrowed 1. 12 minus 9, 3. Isn't it? Next 2 is there, not 3 now because you have taken 1, borrowed 1 there. So 3 now becomes 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. Because 2 is big number, 1 is small number, you can easily subtract. 2 minus 1, 1. Because 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Next to 4 minus 6, small number minus big number. No, not possible. So borrow 1. From thousands place, 3 is there. You have to borrow 1. Now it becomes 4, becomes 14. 14. This becomes your borrowed 1. 3 becomes 2. Now 14 minus 6. 14 is big number. 6 is small number. Now you can easily subtract. 14 minus 6. 14 lines put. If you get confused, 14 lines you have to put. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14 lines I have put. Out of 14, how much you should remove? 6. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines removed. Still how many remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 lines. 8 lines means this is 8. So 14 minus 6, 8. Next 2 minus 7. Again it is a small number, down big number, subtraction not possible. So borrow 1. From here 1 is there, you have to take 1 this side. Then it becomes 12. 12 minus 7, 5. Here 1 taken already, it is 0. Because you have taken 1 this side, so this 1 becomes less 0. So 0 minus 8 again not possible. 0 is small, 8 is big, not possible. So from 2 you have to borrow 1 there. This becomes 10 and 2 will become 1. Understood? 2 will become 1. Now easily 10 is big number, 8 is small number. 10 minus 8, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. Wherever you get difficulty, you have to put lines like this. 10 minus 8, 10 lines put first. Afterwards 8 lines remove. See here. 10 lines put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 lines I have put. Minus 8 means 8 lines you have to remove. So from 10 lines, cut 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines cut. Still how many lines remaining here you see? 2. 1 and 1, 2. So 2 lines are remaining. So 10 minus 8, 2. Like this. Next 1 minus 9. Again 1 is small number, 9 is big number. Not possible to subtract. So what you have to do? You have to take 1 from this side. From 8 borrow 1. From 8 when you borrow 1 it becomes 11. Already 1 was written here. When you borrow 1 this will become 11 and this 8 will become 7. This 8 will become 7 because you have borrowed 1 in this side. 1 less 8 minus borrowed 1 7 it right. 11 minus 9 again you have to draw 11 lines and cut 9 lines. You will get 2. By practicing you will find easy subtract. Next 11 minus 9 2. 7 minus 4. 7 is big number, 4 is small number. Easily you can subtract because big number minus small number is possible. So already big number is there 7. 4 is small number. Easily you can subtract. From 7 take out 4. How much remaining? 3. So 7 minus 4, 3. Or if you want to draw lines and verify 7 lines you have to put cut 4 lines. 7 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. Top number 7. 7 lines put like that. Minus 4 means you have to remove 4 lines. Start from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines removed. Still how many lines left here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 lines remaining. So that 3 is the answer. 7 minus 4 is 3. Next 9 minus 5. Again 9 is big number. Down small number. Subtraction is possible. So 9 minus 5. Out of 9 you have to remove 5. Draw lines like this. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After drawing 9 lines, minus 5. 5 lines you have to remove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to remove 5 lines. Isn't it? 5 lines cut. Still how many lines remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 lines remaining. So 9 minus 5 is 4. This is how you have to do subtraction. Understood? Understand this subtraction properly and write neatly in your maths CW. Understood? Remaining problems we will do in the next class. Okay? I want your writing CW neatly. Some students, if you write untidy, again I will make you to write double time. So starting only you write neatly. Those who have not purchased books, already your classes will started, one chapter finished. So I am telling you, buy the books, come to school and take the books, pay the amount and purchase the books in the school and complete your CW as soon as possible. Next problems will continue in the next class.